Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis and a price prediction of Chainlink, as well as some news that is out there. Now, we don't usually talk about Chainlink that often here on this channel, but now I'm going to make sure that I do. So if you're someone that also likes Chainlink and you are not subscribed yet, definitely worth pushing that subscribe button. So now let's actually get into this. Now, currently the 23rd largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Chainlink has been rising up the ranks by not really seeing a whole lot of volatility over this last week, which we've seen many cryptocurrencies really feel the pain of this last crypto crash. So Chainlink has managed to really rise up in the ranks because of the recent volatility. Now, over these last 24 hours, Chainlink is up about 4.5%, and currently it's right under Litecoin as far as crypto market cap goes. So there's some things going on here with Chainlink. So using our Fibonacci retracement tool, on June 12th, we saw Chainlink reach its 52-week low, where it reached the price at around $5.27. And then quickly over the next 2 months, we saw Chainlink then retrace a lot of its losses, where on August 12th, the price of Chainlink had reached the price of around $9.50. So from there, we ended up seeing the price of Chainlink then start retracing again downwards, and it then retraced more than 50%. Now, recently here, even with all the volatility we got going on over in the crypto market, we managed to see Chainlink then pump back through its 50% Fibonacci line. So that's where we're at currently. We just also surpassed another Fibonacci line right now with Chainlink. So we're at around $8 at this moment, and this is really nice. So we have 2 more Fibonacci levels to go. If we are able to hold on to this Fibonacci level, we have 2 more Fibonacci levels to go to pump through, and then hopefully we can see a really nice big breakout with Chainlink, and that is if we are able to pass that $9.50 price. So that's the goal right now with Chainlink. Now, something interesting about Chainlink is that 52-week low that we saw in June was not just a 52-week low, because if you look back here and you look at 2020, you look at November of 2020, well, the price of Chainlink was still higher than that price. The price that Chainlink currently is trying to get over right now, this $8 price, this was a price that Chainlink was at around December 23rd, and that was when there was a little bit of volatility right before we saw the price of Chainlink reach a big breakout that happened when we saw Chainlink go on a rally. Now, in May of 2021 is when Chainlink reached its high, and then we did see a big sell-off to happen, just like we did with the rest of the crypto market, and a rebound into the months of September. What we didn't see with Chainlink was we didn't see another high like we did with Bitcoin and Ethereum, where eventually Chainlink just had a big sell-off, and when they reached that low in June, that was basically 10 times lower than it was when it had reached its high. So some things to think about. Now, here on the 4-hour chart, you can see this behavior with Chainlink at these Fibonacci levels. We can see a very much of a bullish type of behavior right now, how we can see that it managed to pump through this Fibonacci level, and there's that potential for it to keep rising into the next Fibonacci level. Now, why are we seeing Chainlink pumping right now? And why did it still pump through the Ethereum merge when we were seeing Ethereum not behaving like this, and Bitcoin not behaving like this? And the reason is, now a lot of these cryptocurrencies that have their own ecosystems, where there's now a lot of light being shined at them, just like we were seeing with Cosmos, and Cosmos performing its own way, just like how we're seeing Chainlink doing the same thing right now. So the Chainlink ecosystem, that is that part of that price movement that we're seeing right now. So it had a big sell-off, and now we're seeing that recover right now, and there's a lot of people that are interested in crypto. You know, they learned about the Ethereum merge and what Ethereum does, and then a lot of people started thinking, well, what about these other cryptocurrencies? What about these other ecosystems? And so that's that price movement that we're seeing with Chainlink right now is due to that, due to the education that people are having now, learning about what these different blockchains have to offer. So now panning back here, and let's go into a price prediction. So I have these different price predictions that are put up here. Now, a bullish price prediction is to see the price of Chainlink to be anywhere from $9 to more. And I would think that if we were managed to really break through like a price of $10.50, well, then there's that moon possibility right there. And that's a real possibility because, well, $9.50 is this top Fibonacci line right here. And so if we were to break through this, then we could see potentially a much better breakout within Chainlink from that. And that would be a really ideal situation if that was to happen. Now, here on my channel, I don't like to just do the technicals. I like to do the explanation because it's really good to have education on the blockchain and the different projects that are out there. Anybody can draw lines on a screen, but if you actually know about the specific projects, and that's the key thing that you need to know about maybe where this price might be going. It really helps with the technicals to be educated on it. So, I mean, I'm sorry for people that don't like all the explanation and just want to see me do the technicals. It's really important, especially when we're covering a cryptocurrency that we don't usually talk about, to go into a little bit more of an explanation. So now with a lot more on the screen and things looking a lot more busy, so this $9.50 Fibonacci level that we have is just a little bit lower than the price that Chainlink was when the price crashed into its 52-week low. So it came from a price that was a little bit above $9.50, and then it crashed that price just within a matter of 3 or 4 days that happened. So that's why I also think that this top Fibonacci level here, if we were to break through that $9.50 price and had enough momentum, well, then we will probably really climb up quite a bit. And that's why I think that there would be a really nice breakout to happen with that. But also worth looking at now. So if we were to look at these different impulses here, if we were to look at this as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5, and then we went into another impulse. This was all just part of a corrective wave, obviously, our WXY as well. And then we went into another impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then corrected from there in a ABC correction. So now we're working on the next five waves right now. So to play this out with our wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and our wave 5 right now. Where is this going to take us? So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to break through this Fibonacci level. Hopefully this is what's going to allow us to do that by the end of September. I mean, if we were to keep this momentum going, there's that possibility, even though our trajectory is a lot more steep than this right now, there's that possibility of seeing that breakout happen and break through that $9.50 price by the end of September, beginning of October. There's that possibility. I mean, obviously this is my own opinion though, but there's that possibility. Now let's also look at it in a different way. So if we look at it also this way, we look at it a longer 5 waves here. So what we have is our wave 1, our wave 2, our wave 3, our wave 4, and this is all part of our wave 5. So you see how that all lines up? Every single wave that we have here, it has a new higher high, and then a higher low, a higher high, and then a higher low, a higher high. That's how things are playing out right now. So this is just more reassurance that we didn't see the price of Chainlink fall even more. The fact that Chainlink continued to go up with all those bearish things going on right now is that that reassurance that this could be that 5th wave right now within this current pattern. And that is a very, very bullish outlook on the possibilities of where Chainlink's price could be going. So this could end up being a expanding triangle pattern, and it could go something like this. Now, obviously, everything I'm talking about here is just my own thoughts and opinions, and this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I'm more so making this content for people that are invested in the Chainlink, invested into crypto. The community is who I am talking to. So I like to hear from you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. What do you guys think about what could be happening to Chainlink? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in the next cryptocurrency video coming very soon.